Hey guys, how to turn off HDR videos on iPhone. HDR makes videos look extra bright and punchy, but sometimes it's too much, especially when uploading to apps that don't support HDR. Here's how to turn it off. Go ahead to your settings. Alright, scroll a little bit down to find camera. Okay, let me go to the apps. Hit or look for camera, or let me go back. Me here, yeah, camera. And then what you're gonna do, hit or tap record video. Okay, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just turn off the HDR video, high efficiency. Okay, or you can find it here, somewhere here. Yeah, the smart HDR. Just go ahead and turn it off. Right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and once you toggle it off, all new videos will record in standard dynamic range, SDR. If you want to convert old HDR videos to SDR before better uploading, you can use photo apps. Okay, Photos app. Alright, and hit the video and share it. Okay, and save video. It auto converts, or edit the exposure manually to tone down highlights. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.